To Buy Library, and we are, after a long time, I'm resuming this question series, which is PhD mock interview question series. As one, your interviews are approaching, and second, I think you have your NI interview next month or whatever it is. It's always good to practice in advance, okay? And more than that, it is only a 5 minute series video, so I don't think it'll pose a problem if you watch something for a 5 minute, which can give you a hint or a virtual idea of the fact that how your interview is going to be in reality. Okay, so let's start with the question, and I'll show you one image first, and then let's come to this question. So this image, it can be drawn over a board for you, or you can be told that just go to the board and draw this image. Okay, and how will you draw it? You can say, so I mean, how would you know ki kya draw karna hai? So they'll guide you. Just do this thing. On one side write molecular weight, and on x-axis write what time in minutes. Okay, so just see, it is migration of something, and I'll ask you via question whether it is protein or DNA. Okay, so this is the molecular weight, because here also they have not mentioned anything, and this is the time frame. In 0 minute, it was here at the point of 55, 56, 57. Let's say at the point of 55. Okay, less than 55, and at 30 minute it migrated a little downwards, like it came here, and then at 60 minutes up, and at 90 minutes again. So 60 and 90 are comparable in the fact that 60-90 का band is almost equal. Okay, तो 60-90 is comparable, and 0 minute पे से थोड़ा सा नीचे मिलता है कब, at the time zone of 30 minutes. तो question देख लें आप. Question is, why in this figure the electrophoretic migration of secretory protein shows a lower band at 30 minutes. So अब ये first hint is they're asking about secretory protein. Second thing is, it is a band which is showing you the migration of protein. So very simple, they can ask you that कौन सा process है. Okay, what is going on here? So you can say this is SDS page. Okay, native page if it's not multi subunit. Otherwise it can be your denaturing phase, or where you use your beta mercaptoethanol. So basically it is what it is, SDS page. So they are asking, the question is basically is, if I simplify it for you, they are asking why the band, a lower band, is present at 30 minutes. Okay, so this is actually telling you the synthesis of a protein. Okay, so protein is getting synthesized with time. So one thing for sure you can conclude, that is of a secretory protein, that one thing you can conclude for sure is the protein is synthesized, or everything which has to be done over the protein is done at the time frame of 60 minutes, because 60 minute 90 minutes में कोई वेरिएशन नहीं है इन दर बैंड. दैट मीन्स 60 मिनट्स 90 मिनट्स में जो भी उनको उन पे होना था, दैट हैज़ हैपेंड. ओके, तो अब अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि 60-90 मिनट्स में इट्स बिन फुल्ली सिंथेसाइज एंड इट्स अ सिक्रीटरी प्रोटीन, तो आई थिंक आपको हिंट मिल जाता है कि सिक्रीटरी प्रोटीन में पोस्ट ट्रांसलेशनल मॉडिफिकेशंस होते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्लेस जहाँ पे पोस्ट ट्रांसलेशनल मॉडिफिकेशंस नहीं हुए हैं, एंड हियर इट गेट पोस्ट ट्रांसलेशनली मॉडिफाइंग, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच इसका जो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है अब बढ़ रहा है, क्योंकि जो भी ग्रुप ऐड होंगे, इट्स नॉट लाइक कि एक सिंगल ग्रुप अटैच होता है. ओके, सो इफ आई सपोज दैट दिस इज अ प्रोटीन. ओके, this is a protein, this is a protein P, and there'll be so many modifications added over it. Okay, say for example this is anything, one group, two group, three groups, so multiple groups will be there, multiple group addition will be there. So whatever will happen, it will happen in a multitude, therefore the molecular weight will rise, and because of which we get a band at a lower band, we get a band lower in size before it was completely synthesized. Okay, so the answer will be simply ki sir or ma'am, because it is a secretory protein. So the question has a hint that it has a secretory, it is a secretory protein, therefore it will go undergo post translation modification to be fully functional. So one or the other, some of or the other group is being added to it, therefore its molecular weight has shifted from some in between 45 to 55 to what, more than 55. Okay, so its molecular weight has shifted, therefore something must be added to it. So easy these questions are. आपको बस brain utilize करना होता है, and you just have to catch the hints. And with next question we'll meet soon, and I hope you start brainstorming with these questions, and खुद भी आप practice करो. Soon I'll start with board, but up till now just अभी तक जैसे भी मैंने प्रेजेंट किए हैं, जस्ट प्लीज़ कोऑपरेट, एंड आगे हम बोर्ड से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो थैंक यू एवरीबडी, कीप स्टडिंग एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.